Alright, Crewton Ramone's House of Math. We're working with Brooklyn. And what we just did, just for the fun of it, was... Don't you always ask for algebra?
Yes.
Why do you always ask for algebra?
Because it's fun.
It's the most fun, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is supposed to be somebody that's having trouble with math, but as it turns out, she's actually pretty good at it. So, she got some friends here today to help us, right? So, she got out this guy.
That is, Lola.
Lola.
And that's Ruby.
Okay, so Ruby and Lola are helping us do math today. Alright, so here I look at a fraction. And see, I was doing this with a high school student, so we're going to do some more explanation. See, but it's this easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you just built it. Okay, so we have 2x plus 4 and x squared, 5x, and 6.
Yes.
Which you threw together all by your lonesome with no help from me.
Yes.
Right? Okay. So now all I said was, let's look at the two rectangles. Because that's a rectangle and this is a rectangle, right?
Yes.
So there's the rectangle on top. What's her name again?
Lola.
Lola sees the side that has x plus 2 and x plus 2. See it? X plus 2, x plus 2, x plus... In fact, anywhere along here, let's grab this one. Let's grab these guys. We can see that anywhere along this, it's x plus 2. Anywhere along there. It's x plus 2 there. And you can see we're using a colorful block. We're using a green one. We usually use that to teach about square roots. You see the 3 on there? He's asking why there's a 3 on there. So we can do square root of 3 and stuff. But anywhere along there, it's x plus 2. Over here, it's x plus... So anyway, so Lola sees the side that's boring. It's just x plus 2, always, right? Okay.
And the
so Ruby over here has to see the side that's a little more exciting. She sees the side that has 2 different parts. It has a it has a 2, right, up here. So then we write that. And over here, it has an x plus 3. Yeah? So all we did was we played this game called Find the Ones. Because x plus 2 over x plus 2 turns out to be 1. Right?
Yes.
We also call that a common factor. Anything hard about that?
And then
wait a minute. Anything hard about that?
No.
Okay, you said, when I said anything hard about that, you said, mm-hmm. So I was wondering what it was. That was hard about that. Nothing. You're right. And then here's her symbols. Right? Which are pretty much as good as mine. Because that's how poorly I write. And you'll keep working on your symbols, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so now we're going to do more math. You want to do some more algebra?
Yay!
Okay. Crewton Ramone's House of Math.com. Okay, Crewton Ramone's House of Math. You say .com.
.com.
It is. Alright, so here's a problem that may strike fear into some teenagers I know. When she's laughing about it because she's just whipping it together so quickly, right? As fast as I can do it. Alright, so she's building x squared, 4x, and 3. Right now, she likes to build the big ones first. How many x?
4x.
Okay, and you're going to have to fit 3 in there. And see, never wrong, just more information. You're fitting, how many is in there?
3.
Okay. Can you use that other 3? Get that other 3 out of there, because it's at 6, so get him out of there. Away. Away he goes into the pile. You can tell we've been doing other stuff. Okay. So that's the bottom one. Okay, now can you build the other one?
Other one?
Yeah, 5x plus 5.
Oh, yeah.
Just get 5x and 5. And make me a rectangle out of it. That's going to be pretty easy.
Rectangle?
Put it up there, yes. Put it up there. Put them all up there. There's only one way to do it. Super easy, right?
Yes.
Now where's the 5 going to go?
5?
I'm not telling her. She's doing it. Oh my goodness!
Oh no!
Oh no. Got it?
Yes. Okay. There. Okay. Okay.
Now get your friends out so they can help you count it.
Lola and Ruby?
Yes. Well, those are the same. The sides are the same. We have to put here. She has to be here on one side, and she'll be here on the other side, right? Because isn't that side just the same thing as this side? Because I have x and 3 over here, right? And over here I have 5, and over here I have 5. Okay, so we got to count 2 different sides. This side and that side.
Okay.
Okay, so Lola, what does she see? She sees the boring side again, right?
She sees x plus 1.
Okay, very good. And anywhere along here, she's walking along, she sees x plus 1. Even when she's standing over here, it's still just from here to here, it's x plus 1, right?
Yes.
Okay. Back she goes. Ooh, ah! Fell over. Oh! I think I broke my coccyx. Nope. Okay, she's standing up. Alright, there you go. Okay. Slippery. You can't, falling on the ice. No joke. Hope she's taking her calcium.
Ruby?
Now, Ruby, what did she see?
She said the happy side. X plus 3.
And what about up there? What did she see on top? Just regular old what?
5.
That's it, right?
Yep.
Nothing hard. So actually we did it all the way to the end first.
Yes.
We could write, okay, go ahead. Right over here.
Oh.
What did she see on top?
Which
See, we
one?
skipped that intermediate step. Why do we want to do that? What did she see on top right there?
She sees
Right there.
5.
5. So just write 5. That's easy. Okay, and what does she see down here?
Down here? X plus 3.
There you go. Write it as neatly as you can. Neatness counts. Any fear? No fear. Okay, so there it is. 5 over x plus 3. That's what this reduces to. This algebraic fraction right here. If I were to reduce it, I go all the way here. But we got to do this crazy thing in the between step that I'm going to do here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to write it like this. I'm going to say I have 5 x plus 1s. See them? And I could get 1s out, and we could make an x plus 1, and an x plus 1, and an x plus 1. If you wanted to. Do you want to? She does. Let's do it. But you got to be fast.
How many? 5?
How many? You tell me.
5?
Yes, put them there. Quick.
Oh, I'm putting my phone.
She's getting them out. So that we can really see. Bring her. It's 5. Yeah, put them in there. Because you're a math class, not my math class. See, there's an x plus 1. And you got to turn them this way, otherwise they're negative. We want to stay positive. We don't want to be negative. Okay. See them?
Yes.
So I have an x plus 1 5 times. Literally, that's what that says. 5 x plus 1s. Right? And it's just, see how much longer that took to get out all the 1s? So much faster to get this thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So then over here, I look and I have to look at my 2 sides. What were my 2 sides of this one?
The 2 sides of
Across was
x plus 1.
And what was up?
What?
What was going up?
Oh.
In other words, what did Ruby see?
X plus 3.
And she's using her fingers to show me x plus 3. Anything hard about that? And see, what I said, again, is that this is 1. See, we're playing find the 1.
Yes.
Make sense?
Yes.
So we just, common factor. They'll show you in textbooks that'll look like that instead of the 1.
After this, we're going to make a...
We're going to make a bigger one!
Yes.
Okay. So, again, there you go. That's all it is. Right? A rectangle over a rectangle. Could I draw a picture of this? I'm drawing a quick picture.
Okay.
I'm drawing a picture that looks like that.
That's a square.
That's a rectangle. That's a square, to the best of my ability. Now that's really lame. Alright, and then like that, and but, oh, I gotta make this better.
You can just, like...
There you go. See it? And then I could put the line like this. There you go.
Yes.
And then I have to put some numbers in for it to make sense, right? But we know what it means.
Yes.
This means that. And here's my common factor of x plus 1. And there it is, x plus 1, and 1 over, right? And then over here I have x plus 3, and over here I have 5.
Yes.
So I should do this. I should make this go like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I could put some lines there and make it all fancy. Bleh. Why do you have... Just the simplest drawing is better.
And there's my puppy.
And there's the puppies. We were using these puppies to count by 4s. We were using our imagination and pretending that we had lots and lots of puppies in a row.
And after something, we're going to do a zoo.
You want to make a zoo?
Yes.
Oh, kind of like that little math town we had, except
Yeah.
a zoo. And let's see, look, she got all our animals out in anticipation of playing math.
That's a... I don't even know what that is.
Okay. Some animal that we're going to put in the zoo. It's a scary teddy bear. Okay, anyway. Let's do another one.
Okay.
Want it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, by the time I get everything erased, and we got a new problem. So I got everything erased, and then I got her some more blocks, and then I come back, and she's already pretty much got it done. Okay, so on top, you definitely got that together, 3x plus 9. On the bottom now, What are you going to fit in there? You could use 3s. You could use whatever you want. But you like the colorfulness of using a different color, huh? Boom, whipped together just like that.
Yes.
Okay, so now all I gotta do is see what Ruby sees and see what... What's her name over there again?
What?
What's her name?
That's Lola.
Lola, okay, Lola and Ruby. And get the puppies out of here.
They're 4!
Yeah, I know, there are 4, but we're gonna use these guys. We're gonna just use these 2. Otherwise we'll start getting carried away. She could sit down if she wanted to. Look at that. Okay, so now let's just count it quickly.
Yes.
What do we see? What's the common factor between the 2?
Lola.
Lola, what does she see?
She sees exciting today. X plus 3.
There you go. So she sees X plus 3.
And Ruby sees today X plus 4 and 3.
Okay.
So
that's what we would write over here at the end when we got it reduced, right? Go ahead.
3. X
Plus
4.
4? That's right.
Yes, that's it.
Okay. Now, can we factor this one? Tell me what the factors are of this one. The bottom. This one over here. Write it here. No, wait, well, we know that she's got it, so I'm going to pause and we'll come back in just a second. Right now, we're back. Alright.
We're back.
She's being the commentator. Alright, so now, the other thing, to be absolutely more correct, because the other way we wrote it incorrectly because we wrote the 3 first, and actually it really is X plus 3 across and 3 up. But, and here's the discovery that she makes herself. Just for syntax, we usually put the 3 in front. In other words, just as a matter of course, or just because it's math, or just because out of habit, and mathematicians do things a certain way, we usually put the 3 in front. It's not more correct, it's the same thing, right?
Yes.
But if we're drawing our picture,
yes.
Okay, it really is X plus 3 and then 3 up, right? Because the way it works, how does that always go? You count the across, and then what?
Count.
Across and
down.
Across and down is division.
Yes.
Across and up is, what's the word?
I forgot the word.
Multiplication.
Multiplication?
Multiplication. Multiplication. How old are you? 10, right?
Almost 10 in June 2nd.
Almost, so you're 9.
Yes.
I just think you're 10 because you're tall and everything. But actually,
people call me I'm almost 12.
Yeah, see, people think, yeah, you do. You look like because you're tall. You're going to be a tall, leggy girl, and it's going to be great. When you're young, it might be a problem at the schools here where all the boys are shorter than you. But when you get older, it's going to be great.
Yeah.
Trust me on that. It's going to be fine. And plus, you're going to be smart at math.
Yeah, I'm going to be the smartest kid in the class.
Yeah, far and away, huh?
Yes.
Okay. And we have gotten off the subject just a little bit, but the idea is that you can do math, and it's fun. And you're 9! She's 9! So, and this is also, you haven't had a lot of math up until you met me.
Yes.
Previous to this, you were pretty much doing just a little bit of this addition and counting your fingers, no multiplication. Certainly weren't doing any algebra. And now, look at, no problem.
I told my teacher that I started doing algebra,
Mm-hmm.
and she said, how about the whole class should do that? And now we're doing algebra at school.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. Is she looking at my blog?
I don't know. I never.
We should say hi. What's her name?
Hi, I'm Miss Lisa.
Okay, cool.
And Miss Michelle.
Mm-hmm. Oh, your shout out to some friends?
No, that's my tutor.
Oh, she's also a tutor. Okay.
And
Anyway.
That's it.
Okay, so here we are doing some fun mathematics, right? And do you think any of your classmates could do this?
No.
Oh, really? Just you? Or do you think any kid could count this side as X and 4 and that's 3? Or...
I think everybody can do this.
I think so too. Alright. Crewton Ramone's houseofmath.com for...
Me.
For more. For more.
For more.
More. Right, you have to say it. Crewton Ramone's House of Math.
For more.
Wait, you're going to do the .com part.
.com.
There you go. Okay. Having fun. And Ruby says, bye. And so Lola says bye too. Bye. They're waving. They got put their hands up. Bye. See you later.
The math. Down, down.
Crewton Ramone's houseofmath.com. Okay, so here, quick. We already did this one. This is a new problem that we built. These are the old factors. So we just did x squared, 9x, and 20. Now we're doing, just for fun, x squared, 9x, and 18. And we left off the top part because
Really?
we're just having fun and going faster and learning more about add-ins and multiplication.
Lola sees x plus 3.
Yes. And what does Ruby see?
Ruby sees x plus 6.
Right, x plus 6. Because 3 times 6 is what?
3 times 6 9. 18, that's right.
3 times 6 is 9, 18. Well, let's look over here. 6, 12, 18.
Yes.
Right? Okay, make sure that's part of the lesson where they get to see what's going on here. And then wait, we're doing add-ins too. What's 3 and 6? How much does 3 and 6 add up to?
3 and 6 is 3 and 6.
See, you got to be able to count everything and all the parts. Well, why do you have that?
Why do I have that?
Didn't that tell you how many you needed?
Yes.
How many is it?
8. I mean 9.
Okay, so that's 9 what?
9.
9 what kind? 9?
9.
9 what?
X's.
9x.
I got it.
So 9x, you broke them up and you made 9x into how many and how many?
It's right there.
6x there and 3x there.
Yes.
Right? And 3 times 6 is 18?
Yes.
And they learn all kind of stuff, but you got to point it out to them when they're only 9 years old, right?
They're 9! I thought they were like 14 or something.
You're 9.
Yes, I am, yeah.
So what do you think? Who's 9? Oh wait, who's 14? Oh, I see. Lola was 14.
Yeah.
How old's Ruby then?
She's 3.
Ruby's only 3?
Yes!
She's a little girl. So maybe they're sisters.
No, that's her mom.
She's 14 and it's her mom?
Yes. Yes.
I could make some comments, but I'm not going to. Okay. We'll make her like at least like 23.
Hold
I
on.
think 21.
What's the dad?
Because it turns out Lola has twins. Okay.
This is
Ruby and RuPaul. No.
No, this is Oprah.
Oprah. Ruby and Oprah. Awesome. Okay. So, we're gonna play math and do more. Anyway, so okay, now what if I did this? What if I changed it? Would this be hard? If I changed it to x squared 9x, flip it around, x squared 9x, and change that to, oh, I don't know, 14?
21.
How about 14?
Fine.
Okay, would that be hard?
Maybe.
Okay, let's see what happens.
14.
14, right? 14? Okay, so there it is.
Yes.
X squared 9x and 14.
Yes.
After some fooling around and noodling and counting, because she didn't know that 2 7s was 14, right?
Yes.
It took a little while for her to figure it out, but no problem, she got it. Now, what are the factors? Tell me, quick.
Low.
Just do it. Don't even need the guys. Just do it. Tell me what the factors are. What's this side? Excellent. And what's that side? Obviously, then, has to be, right? What number is that? Right neatly.
That's 7.
Okay. She said indignantly. Make a nice 7. Okay. Now, that's a rather big 7 for that little x. Let's try one more time. Neatness counts. Make a nice 7. Okay, I like it. Alright. And saying that we got to record these in our notebooks.
What?
Right? Oh yes, definitely. They have to go in the notebook. Okay, so we're just fooling around 9x. What are we doing? We're learning multiplication, and we're learning our add-ins for 9, and we're learning what multiplies together to make the various numbers in the corner, right?
Yes.
And we figured out that with 9 we could do 14, and we could do 18, and we could do 20, and all kinds of fun stuff. Lots of algebra we learn, but alongside that we learn our add-ins and multiplication. Right? I think the algebra really is just along for the ride at this point. And look, she's got like...
Panda.
It's a panda is what you're thinking. And a couple baby pandas. Yeah. And some cats. And they're all over here helping us count and play.
And a dog.
Okay, so now say it. Now say.
Algebra, house of math.
Algebra, house of math. What? Crewton.
Crewton's house of math.
Crewton who?
Crewton.
Crewton me, yeah. Crewton Ramone's House of Math. And then do your cool.com part.
.com. God, that's